Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change background in Zoom meeting on a mobile device version. This is the Zoom Workplace Android version that I'm using right now. In order to change background, on the older version on a Zoom app, you can set your virtual background under the settings page or the meeting settings page. But now after the update there is differences. Now before you open your Zoom, please update it first. You can go to the Play Store, or if you use an iOS, please you can access it on the App Store. Try to keep up to date with your Zoom and become Zoom Workplace here, and fixes some minor bugs, some issues after the update. And also the latest version is the 6.2.11 and updated on 25 November 2024. So after the update, you can try to open your Zoom right now, tap it, and if you don't have an account, or this is your first time use Zoom, please create your account first in order to use it this app. So now in order to set your virtual background, you can change it on more or settings. You have to join new meeting or start new meeting. Let's practice by start new meeting. And here you can change a background in Zoom meeting. You can scroll down, you can slide or drag your toolbar and try to search the apps. You can tap it, then tap virtual backgrounds, and here we go. Now you can set your virtual background based on 4 categories. They are nature, interiors, and then art and travel, all powered by Pixels. And also you can set your virtual background in onto the blurry one. You can tap 3 dot beside the search pixels and tap on blur. So sometimes when you try to set your background there is some error. Please make sure your device is supported and you have good internet connection. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.